Now that school's back in, cooking a meal for dinner, if it doesn't take 30 minutes or less, we're not doing it. Let's make an Italian sausage pasta dish and it takes 30 minutes or less and it's easy. It's a pretty simple process. What you're going to do is cut the end off an onion, and then you're going to slice it once you've cut it in half. And then you're going to do the same with a bell pepper. Cut the top and the bottom off and make that slit down the sides so that you can get the middle parts of the bell pepper out. Slice it long ways. And then we're going to chop up some garlic, about 3 to 4 cloves to be specific. And, had to smack the meat there. Some mild Italian sausage, a whole pack, should be 5 or 6 of those in there. And then we're just going to slice those up. We've got some fire roasted tomatoes, or any canned tomatoes would work. Get you a large skillet. I'm using a wok, and we're going to saute those bell peppers first for a minute or two. Then we're going to add in the onion. Then we're going to go ahead and get that pasta opened up, and we're going to start boiling that in your pasta water. And once it comes to a rolling boil, and why do you do that? Because a rolling boil will agitate the salt so that it will dissolve in the water. Boil your pasta. Once your onions and peppers have been cooked down for about 5 to 6 minutes, add in that Italian sausage. And then you're just going to cook that down for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then after that, we're going to add in all of that garlic. And we're going to cook that into the onions, the peppers, the sausage. And what happens is the sausage adds flavors to the onion and peppers. Then you're going to add in those tomatoes. I used a fire roasted tomato. Really, really good. Drain off that pasta, and then you're going to add it into your veggies, your pasta. Add a little bit of that pasta water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Stir that in really, really well so that it's completely incorporated. And then it's time to plate. Put your pasta on there, and then scoop some of that, vegetables and the sausage and put that on top so that you get a good bite of sausage and the veggies in every bite. That looked delicious. Well, it's one of my favorite things that I enjoy making. Obviously, at the end, you'll hear my wife. And let's add some really good cheese to that. Parmigiano Reggiano. I love the flavor that Parmigiano Reggiano adds to this dish. It adds a sweetness and a nutty and that cheese flavor that you're looking for any great pasta dish.
One of my favorite things he ever makes.